like makulit na suplado.
Nay.
And he wants to become a seaman someday. Miss Humility is Carla Tan. And her mom, Mary Ann Digoma. Grade 3.
Amo na siya ga ang bago nga queen.
Jensen is 8-year-old. She is the daughter of Mr. and
Ang
Mrs.
naka-blue, amo na siyang queen.
Rosen Candiete. She likes Maximilian. A big hand. John Christopher is a kindergarten. He is 5-year-old under Mrs. Iridado Lesco. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. William Montani Jr. He likes eating shumai and watch Tom and Jerry cartoons. He wants to be a seaman someday. Of Mr. and Mrs.
Ay, ka-cute.
She likes playing with dogs and wants to be a nurse someday. Diana Joy Nilay. Okay, requesting photographers, parents, titas, titos, lolas, and lolos. Again, move backward.
Maganda na, pili yung clear sa area. Akin masunod na.
Ches Gacela Ballones. Alexandra Jezreel Valiant. Heidi Marie Mandado. Colleen May Ripalda. Chris Ann Hamandre.
Manay.
May Fernandez. And Christine Gonzalo.
Next.
The crown bearers. Please welcome Geraldine Ann Camacho and Alvin Diestro. Scepter bearers, please welcome John Roland Guzman. Ladies and waiting, we have Tricia May Calizo, Ashley Tagihanon, April Delgado, Erlyn A. Balisado, Camille Halorina, Mary Grace Ilagan, Ella Ledesma. The cake bearers are Adrian Joy Cabanga, Bea Galina Perez, and Faye Sophia.
Ano na tabo nga subong lang naging butangan si Manay, Ma'am Sao? Ambot sa ila.
And
Karala,
now,
karala.
ladies and gentlemen, our Mr.
Karala,
and
dina, dina.
Miss Halandani Memorial Elementary School, school year 2008-2009. Please welcome Mr. Cyril Jestro,
Manay.
Miss Maria Lexi Cordero.
Karon na lang.
To our special guests, parents,
Our third runner-up, Miss Jensen Candiete. May we request Mrs. Jeremy Candiete and Mrs. Mary Ann Digoma. Around the back. We acknowledge the arrival of our district.
significant amount of pressure is inspiring to me. Maybe the best advice I can give to our youth future become is to keep your faith to God. Be humble and be a good servant of one and all, especially our dear Lord. As I really wish my crown, I wish to say thank you to my family, especially to my Tita Porter for unconditionally loving me. Thank you also to all my teachers for bringing out the best in me. The same words I like to say to my distractors, for challenging me more to fight and be firm in my convictions. Thus, whatever laurels I gained from every endeavor I had, I always earn it from my family, friends, and teachers. A few months from now, I will be leaving the portals of my beloved alma mater, Calandoni Memorial Elementary School, but I know I will be bringing the most cherished memories I had with my 6 years stay here in this beloved institution. And so, I'd love to leave this beautiful line to all of you. Dream will always be a dream if we do not act on it, but dreams sometimes can become a reality if we possess such willful hearts and mind to pursue it and let it happen. Again, my wholehearted thanks to all of you, and may God bless us all.